So, hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to generate a city, just a random city using Greeble. So I'm going to start off the tutorial just by drawing it plain. I'm going to make my city, I'll make it 400 by 400. And I'm just going to change the line segments here to 40 by 40. Just so that I know that each grid here is 10 meters. To see that, you also need to just have your viewport set to edged faces. So I am now going to go create some splines. I have my lines set to being rectangles. You need to enable those in the viewport. Give them a width and have corner and bezier set. And then I can basically just start drawing these imaginary roads, I guess. And then if I wanted maybe to pretend that there is a thicker road somewhere, I can change the thickness. Awesome, so those are going to be just my example roads for this tutorial. So I'm now going to go in and I'm going to create a modifier and I'm going to edit. I'm going to edit poly if it will let me. Edit poly here, and I just want to use this just to attach these geometries, so they're now just one group. So those are attached. So now if I select, okay, so accidentally joined those, beautiful, okay. So these are now one object. So from here, I'm going to select on the plane. I'm going to create a compound object and I'm going to pro Boolean. So I'm going to then pick this to subtract. So now my roads are created, but I needed to select cookie. So I will now start picking, and that has actually subtracted now, so I don't have those little extension bits. Beautiful. So I can also go in and what was I going to do in here? In advanced options, I'm going to make quadrilaterals to kind of create grids like a city would kind of have plots, and I can increase that grid size however I like. To me, this kind of size might make sense for plots on an area this size. So now that I have this set up, I'm going to use Greeble. So I'll type Greeble. Greeble, and that's generated a city block already. So I can adjust these widgets, whether or not I want that level of detail or whether I just want a form. You can also kind of change which ones you want here. I'm going to select those two. And I'm going to just change the size of those to be a minimum size of, I'll keep those as 5, but a maximum size of maybe 20. Beautiful. And now I can also change the tapering of each building, and I can change the max height. So I'll set the minimum height to maybe 4 meters to make it a bit more realistic, and the max height I might set to 25. So that's kind of showing you more of a city. And then you can also change things like these shapes. Where's an example of a triangle? So do I have any triangles in? Well, anyway, I do. So I can change these so only triangular shapes are shown, or only four-sided quadrilaterals are shown. And then if I wanted to kind of change how this is, how these plots are, if I didn't like them afterwards, I can just change the quad size here. So I might make it 10. And that is how I generated a really quick city using Greeble.